January 19, 2025. Blizzard warning. Blizzard. Really bad. We just got home. Look at that. Oi.
So it's freezing. I don't know how cold,
Yeah.
but it's definitely very, very slippery. We just got home, made the mistake of going shopping. But anyways, the you can see the skid marks coming up. And we had our
Yeah.
four-wheel on. And this is still how bad it was.
Wow.
But it's beautiful.
Right.
Just dangerous. Don't drive in it if you don't have to.
Yeah. This is crazy. Oh my god.
And so Glenn was able to drive, thank God.
Hey guys,
I
good
didn't have
morning. This is crazy. So I'm telling you guys, this is crazy. I was driving in the snow and it's not a good experience. So if you
Visibility.
yeah, the visibility is a problem.
Big
if you
time.
don't have to, don't go outside.
You can't even see the
Yeah,
cars
and
in
it's
front
a
of
blizzard
you.
warning. So I think they said it's gonna be like snowing till 1 in the morning. So I just don't know. It's gonna be a lot of snow, right?
Yeah. I think like 10 p.m. or
Yeah, 10 or maybe 1, but they said it's
Yeah.
gonna be a lot of
but
snow.
it's gonna be all night. Yeah.
Yeah, so
It's crazy.
it's Pennsylvania, guys. Pennsylvania.
Well,
Right,
this
so-
is happening over the whole East Coast, I think.
Yeah. Already. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Already. Look at that. Oh,
Very, very slippery. Hold on 1 second.
this is crazy, man. This is crazy. It's gonna be a lot of snow. मुझे नहीं पता यहीं पे होगा कहीं ना वो मैंने लाया ही नहीं वो नीचे पड़ा मैंने निकालना है look at that
Now that's the next step.
alrighty so if you guys like this video please subscribe share this channel and make a valuable comments as well because I am freezing and I need a hot chocolate.
Oh, yeah. That's the best
Yes,
thing about
hot chocolate is gonna be fun with the
Alright.
movie.
Yeah, let's go.
Take
now.
care.